Go ahead and head over to 7-Zip, download the latest version, run the installer, then go to RPCS3.net, download the Windows version, drag RPCS3 to your desktop. I recommend renaming it for easier use. Extract RPCS3 using 7-Zip. You can delete the zip folder and keep the extracted RPCS3. Open the RPCS3 folder and run RPCS3 exe. Acknowledge that you have read the quick start guide and continue. Now go to the PS3 update. Scroll down till you see reinstall using a computer. Right click on the download PS3 update. Save link as. If it blocks the download, keep it anyway. Then drag the PS3 update into RPCS3. Let it install. Now visit the All Downloads link. Click on Skate 3. Download it. After it's finished downloading, drag it to your desktop. Extract Skate 3 using 7-Zip. Open your RPCS3 folder. Go to Games. Add Skate 3. Now open RPCS3. Click File. Add Games. Find the Games folder. And select Skate 3. Now to update the game, head over to Rusty PSN. Install the latest release. Put it on your desktop and extract it. After extracting it, open the folder as well as your RPCS3 folder. Drag the Rusty PSN exe into your RPCS3 folder. Open Rusty PSN. Pick folder. Find your RPCS3 folder. And inside, create a new folder. Name it Updates. And select folder. Then save settings. Now go back to RPCS3. Right click on Skate 3. Copy info, and only copy the serial number. Back to Rusty PSN, paste in the serial number, search for updates, and download all. In RPCS3, click File, Install Packages, find the updates folder you made, and then keep clicking until it installs. Before starting the game, right-click on Skate 3, create custom configuration from global settings. Use these CPU settings. Go to the GPU tab, and I recommend using these GPU settings. Now go to the Advanced tab. Check VBlank Checkup. Set your VBlank frequency to 120. Apply. Save your settings. Click Pads. And depending on the controller, X input is Xbox, and DualSense is PlayStation. Now you can play Skate 3. I lied. This part is entirely optional, but this is how you install all the DLCs. Head back to the All Downloads link, click Skate 2 and 3 DLC, open RPCS3, and whatever serial number your Skate 3 is, that correlates with what DLC you install. Download the DLC, drag it to your desktop, open the folder as well as the folder inside, then open for RPCS3. Now open your RPCS3 folder, and just replace your dev_HDD0. And there's all the DLCs. Finally, I can play Skate 3. What the hell?